Honeywell Intelligrated knows the ins and outs of distribution center processes and the mix of software, equipment, and labor that drives them. And most importantly, we have the expertise to make it all work together. Today, DCs and the technology that powers them are changing faster than ever, with machine learning and connectivity emerging to unlock greater performance. The robotics revolution is here, and Honeywell Robotics is leading the way in the connected distribution center. This approach enables robotics to perform in dynamic, unstructured environments like distribution centers, and to automate more complex tasks like unloading shipping containers, picking packets, and more. By leveraging the advances in AI and machine learning, our robotic solutions improve over time and adapt to changing conditions in the enterprise. As businesses face a shifting competitive environment, harnessing the power of AI delivers robotics ready to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow.